Hi everybody, welcome back to Kelsey's Cookbook, where every episode we're going to make a recipe together and add it to my cookbook. For this episode, we're going to make my favorite, chicken avocado burritos, or burrito bowls. I'm going to show you how to do both. These are not only my favorite, these are a family favorite. The mixture of the chicken with the mozzarella pearls and the avocado, it's so good. Especially at the end when I show you how to grill the burrito. Fantastic. What you're going to need for this recipe is a 1.5 pounds of chicken, 3 tablespoons of butter, a diced up avocado, sour cream, 1.5 limes, mozzarella pearls, 1 cup of rice, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of stone ground mustard, pepper, salt, cilantro, and that's it for the bowl. But if you want a burrito, you want to make sure you've got some extra large tortillas. What we're going to do first is get our cilantro lime rice started. What I have here is 1 cup of basmati rice, but you can use whatever rice that you like. So I'm going to get this started. Alright, while our rice is cooking, we are going to get our chicken ready. So what I have is a 1.5 pounds of chicken breast diced up. I'm going to add 1 garlic clove. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of stone ground mustard, and then salt and pepper to taste. You just want to give everything a stir and make sure that all the chicken pieces are coated. I love the way that the mustard grabs onto the chicken pieces in here, but you can also do this with shredded chicken breast. It's totally up to you. Alright, now we're going to get our chicken cooked, so I'm going to put this in my pan that's been heating with some oil. Alright, while our chicken and rice are cooking, what I'm going to do next is take my sour cream that I have, and I'm going to add half of a lime, another garlic clove, and some pepper. And while the chicken and rice are cooking, the flavors just really marinate well together in the sour cream, and it goes fantastic in your burrito. Sour cream is good on its own, but I just love adding a few different elements of flavor because they really work well in this dish, especially with the chicken and the avocado, the cilantro lime rice. It really complements one another, so it's one of my favorite parts of this whole dish. Alright everybody, so while my chicken is cooking, my rice is actually done. So to make the cilantro lime rice, you need 3 tablespoons of butter, the juice of 1 lime, some kosher salt, and cilantro. I normally like to use fresh cilantro, but today I just have some cilantro seasoning, so that's what we're going to do. Alright, the chicken and rice are done, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I make a burrito bowl first, and then I'm going to show you how I make my grilled burrito. So to get started with the burrito bowl, you're going to take your cilantro lime rice that you made, get that on the bottom of the bowl. Everything smells so good. Alright, once you have your rice down, you are going to add your chicken. The mustard and the garlic on these chicken pieces, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Alright, once we have our chicken added, you can add your mozzarella pearls, sour cream, and avocado. So I'm going to do that now. Some mozzarella pearls. Next, I'm going to take a big dollop of this chunky, beautiful avocado. Oh, it looks so good. All right. Last is our sour cream, lime, garlic, and pepper mixture. it is so good. It's one of my favorite things that we add to this. Give that a dollop. And that is your chicken avocado burrito bowl. So good. Next, what I'm going to show you is how to make the burrito, and we're going to grill it, which is a personal favorite for me because once you grill it, the mozzarella pearls start to melt a little bit and all the flavors kind of melt together, and it's so good. So that's what I'm going to show you next. You are going to take your large flour tortilla. Now I add the ingredients a little bit differently here. I am going to put the sour cream down first. So I'm going to take a dollop of my sour cream mixture. And this is kind of like a base almost to keep everything together. Next, I'm going to add a scoop or two of rice. There we go. We're gonna add chicken. Okay, next we're gonna add the mozzarella pearls and avocado, and then I'm gonna roll it up. This beautiful chunked avocado, one of my favorites. Okay, once you have everything laid out on your tortilla, you are going to wrap it. So you're gonna fold like this, bring the top all the way over, tuck in because you might have some things that fall out a little bit, and you're gonna wanna tuck the sides and just keep rolling. It doesn't have to be perfect. It took me quite a few tries before I learned how to tightly wrap a burrito, but we're gonna leave this sit here while we get our pan heated up with just a little bit of oil because you're gonna brown the two sides of the burrito. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this sealed side of the burrito and we're gonna place it onto the hot oil in the pan. You can do a minute or two on each side of the burrito. You can keep checking it so you don't burn it, but you really just want it golden brown. You want to make sure that that tortilla is sealed. So this is sealed under here, so we're going to give this a flip and see how easy that is. Now nothing's going to fall out. So we're just going to get the other side nice and crispy. All right, everybody, this is perfectly golden. I am going to bring this over so that we can cut this up. All right, look at how beautiful that is. We're gonna let this cool for a minute so that I can cut it up and show you guys the inside. All right, this has cooled down a little bit, so what I'm gonna do now is cut this open and show you the inside. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, these look and smell great. I'm going to get a picture for my cookbook. Thanks again for watching, and make sure to let me know how yours turn out. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more episodes.